Affiliate marketing versus MLM. Which one is better? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to compare affiliate marketing versus MLM, right? And after this video, hopefully you have a better understanding of what you want to pursue and which one is better for you. But to be honest with you, it's very simple. It's a very simple difference between the two, actually, in my opinion. All right, when it comes to affiliate marketing, um, you get usually you get better commissions, right? You get better commissions from efforts that you do. All right, it's a little harder to earn with affiliate marketing just because all of the effort is on you, right? You get bigger commissions, but it's all based off of like your effort, right? Because it's only you get a commission, you sell something, that money comes directly to you, your account, which is a good thing, or can be a very good thing, right? Especially if you get some passive income programs that you talk about or you promote, whatever, that can be very profitable. Now you got the MLM side of things, but some people get scared about it. I just did a video about that. But MLM, there are people making money with multi-level marketing companies. It's a fact. Now the main difference with MLM, in my opinion, versus affiliate marketing is you get smaller commissions, right? But the earning potential is greater because you can build a team underneath you with MLM, and you could get paid from their efforts. All right, so you get like a good scenario for MLM. Say for example, you're an affiliate marketer, you're promoting this product, you get $30 commissions, right? It's all good, boom de boom boom boom, getting these commissions, whatever, right? But you only limit it to that $30 commission, $30 commissions, right? Boom. Now you got MLM. You're selling a similar, well, I don't say a similar product to affiliate marketing, but say whatever you selling, all right, just say this product is $50, right? Now over here, the product you selling, you get it's $50 and you get a $30 commission, right? Over here, MLM, it's a $50 product, right? When you sell it, you might only get $10, right? You only get $10, right? So you're like, what? Like, that's garbage. That's whack. Now, but with MLM, now because you have the ability to build a team and people underneath you, so say you got 100 people on your team in your network with MLM. You got 100 people. Of course, out of 100, 94 of them ain't gonna do nothing. But then just say you had 6 people that were go-getters, right? They like on it. They on the grind. Say them 6 people, because you're gonna get a cut of everything that they earn, right? So say those 6 people are now every month, they're making they're bringing you in an extra $50 from their efforts, right? Just say that from all the work they're doing, they're bringing you $50 a person. They're bringing into you without you having to do nothing, right? Like, think about that, right? So say you have six people that's just going hard. They bring you in $50 extra a month from their efforts. What's 60 times 5? $300, right? That is the whole business when it comes to MLM. Now, obviously, if you reverse that with MLM, say you only selling the products and you're getting $10 a product, and all you selling is that main product. You don't have a team underneath you. Well, then affiliate marketing is more, you might want to go over to affiliate marketing if you don't want to worry about like counting on other people, so to speak, to earn you more money. Can you make money with just straight up without building a team with MLM? Yeah, but the commissions are going to be smaller because with MLM, it is based pretty much on a team of people taking a product, selling it, and then everybody getting a little cut, right? That's really what it's based around. So you got to ask yourself, what will work better for you? You know what I mean? Because they both have their pros and cons. I mean, you can do both, if you wanted to. I feel that one of the companies I always talk about, Genesity. That's why I deal with Genesity, which is an MLM slash affiliate marketing opportunity, because you get some pretty good commissions the first time you sell a product. I mean, 30-40% commissions, sometimes up to 50% commissions on the first time sell of a product. And then you get a small cut of the reorders, right, with their products, just by you alone. That's not with you building a team or anything, right? Genesity, really good front end commissions, and then they have smaller commissions with the reorders, but they allow you to build a team, right? So that's why, like, Genesity is definitely something to check out if you're looking into the whole MLM. Because even with Genesity, of course, if you can, you want to be able to build a team, because if you build a team with Genesity, I mean, like I said, you can be on vacation, and imagine you build a team of a couple hundred people. Just say, forget that 100 people. Say you got a couple hundred people on your team, and now 50 people. You got 50 people that's grinding. They're selling the CBD. They're selling the anti-aging cream. They're selling the keto pills. They're selling all of that stuff while you sleeping, right? Imagine that. Imagine that. So keep in mind though, when you get involved with the MLM, listen, that to me is more of a slower build up, because especially when you talk about building a team, you got to get people on track. So that's why when people join Genesity and they come on my team, make sure you're on my team. I do whatever I can to help you out. I lead you in the right direction. You know what I mean? I will definitely lead you in the right direction and help you in any way I can personally, to help you make money, because when you're successful, I'm successful, right? And who wouldn't want help from somebody who, they benefit from your success? So why wouldn't I want to, help you out as much as I can? So that's, one thing about me personally. If you join Genesity, whatever, uh, get in contact with me, or I'll get in contact with you, because my number is below in the description of this video, right? So I mean, that's just my take on it. Affiliate marketing, there's tons of places you can go, like ClickBank, JVZoo. I'm trying to think. It used to be one called Pay.com. I don't even know if that's still around, but those are places you can join if you just want bigger commissions off rip. You ain't really worried about getting paid from other people's efforts. Go sign up with one of those sites. Though there you can get $40 commissions, $50 commissions, $20 commissions, so on and so on, and you can build your own affiliate business like that, right? And if you're gonna do that, you definitely want to check out Wealthy Affiliate, guys. That's what I'm a member of them. It's absolutely free to get started with the Wealthy Affiliate. And you could upgrade if you want, and they make you get to the point, well, not make you, but you feel like you do want to upgrade your account, because you do get some really good information to start making money with affiliate marketing. But once you start making money, you're going to want to make more, and that's where the upgrade will help you out. So pretty much you have the options to do both, but you got to decide. I would personally recommend starting with one. If you're going to do affiliate marketing, do affiliate marketing, focus on that, right? And then I would say join the Wealthy Affiliate community, get started for free, and just really learn. If you really just want to focus on like an opportunity where you can get paid from other people's efforts, you got some solid physical products that you can promote, you're willing to promote, then you definitely want to check out Genesity. All right, both links are below, right? I'm involved with both of these opportunities, so I can help you out. But they're both self-explanatory, to be honest with you. But that's it, guys. Affiliate marketing versus MLM, that's the real deal with it. All right, so hopefully you've got some help from this video. You feel better, and you give us a thumbs up, and you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you the next video. Peace.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.